x plus 2 times x plus 3. We multiplied this one, multiplication sign this here. Now, when we started multiplying, 3 times 2 is 6. We have a plus sign, and 3 times x is 3x is plus sign again, and we multiply x times 2 is 2x plus, because our sign is plus, and x times x is equal to x squared. Now we add. When we add, this is 6. We have plus sign. This is our plus sign. Then again is this 2, 3x, and 2x is 5x. And we have a plus sign too. Then plus. Again, the last one is this one, x. Then our answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6. We started to distribute the first binomial. Then is x times x plus 3 and plus 2 times x plus 3. Now, distributed, multiply this x times x is x squared plus, again, x times 3 is 3x plus, again, 2 times x is 2x plus, the last one, 2 times 3 is 6x, and this one is a like terms, 3x plus 2x is 5x, and plus this one is 6. Then is our answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6 is the same as the other one. Now is our number is the other one is x plus 2 and x plus 3. Let's multiply. 2x times 2 is 2x, and x times x is x squared. Again, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times x is 3x. Now let's add. This one is 6, then have 6 plus, again, 2x plus 3x is 5x plus, again, we have this x squared, then x squared. Then our answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6. We can use any method we want, but the answer is the same.